I was recording. Okay, we're gonna like do the helium thing. Yeah. Okay. Beer. Okay, it's recording.
Right. I'm gonna hold two of them. Alright, ready?
Okay.
Hi. Oh my god. It sounds so weird, doesn't it? Oh my god. Hello, Kirsten. Doesn't my voice sound weird? Hello. I'm feeling really dizzy and heavy. Let's go over that way. Oh my god, my first balloon is gone. It's gone. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for this one to wear off.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do my second one. You see my voice is worn off now? Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Say something else.
Hi. Sexy? You want some? Hello. I'm sexy. Kirsten, listen to my voice. I'm so sexy. Oh my god, I have such a headache. Let's go back to, whoa.
Okay, it's on now.
Okay, my turn.
Helium.
Okay, well, yeah, John kind of like turned it off for the first one, so here's my second one. Okay. Hi, John. What's up? I have helium. This tastes really gross. It's kind of disgusting. I feel like bread. Okay. Hi, I'm our animal. This is really fun. We've been having the John and Kirsten day, and we've been shopping everywhere. My head kind of hurts. I'm feeling kind of dizzy and light. We should probably go now. I think my dad's going to be here soon, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's kind of funny. John! I kind of have to pee. Oh, I'm really dizzy now. Okay.
Alright.